Hi everybody. I'm going to show you again how to make tally marks. I only showed this once before at a Zoom and not all of you were there. So tally marks are just a straight line down for every one of whatever you're counting. And so they're called ticks. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then number 5 ties them together. So a group of tally marks like this is like your 5 on one hand. It's just a simple way to keep track as you go. So if you're counting something, you just make a mark each time you find one, tie the 5th one together, and when you're done, you might have counted a lot. You might have counted 100 pennies, but you can go back and see how many because they're in groups of 5. If you've learned how to count by 5s, you can count up that way. And most of you know how to count by 10s. So for that, you would group 2 5s together, like your 5 and 5 makes 10. And then you can count by 10s and see how many you have, plus how many extras. So say it's summertime, I need something to do, I need a project, maybe I like to count, or my parents think I should practice my counting. Just put a bunch of pennies on the floor, and as you count, you can make a mark. So I'm going to count out loud while I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm out of pennies. I wonder how many I had all together. So let's group 2 5s to make a 10. I'm going to put what I call a circle around them, not really a circle. 5 plus 5 is 10. Let's do the other ones. Do I have 2 5s? I don't. So now we can say 10, 20, 20 what? 25, and let's add on 26, 27, 28. That's my total. I've got 2 10s called 20 plus 8 1s, 28. Someone can help you write it if you want to. If you're doing the finding letters or words at home, the detective work, maybe you can start by writing down the letters you find. Ooh, I found an A. I found an E. I found an I. Maybe I'll keep track of how many A's, how many E's, how many I's. I could predict first how many I'll find the most of. And then each time I find an A, I mark it here. Each time I find an E, I mark it here. Each time I find an I mark it here. And then as you keep going, I'm going to give you some to read. As you keep going, keeping track with your groups of 5, you can see which one you had the most of. All of them had 5. The A had 2 more. The E had 3 more. The I had 1 more. So you can add these up. 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 more for the A. 5 plus 3 more for the E. 5, 6, 7, 8. You see you had more E's than A's or I's. It's a way to play with math. Have fun.